Hello, I'm Josh, and today we're going to be looking at Longshot AI. So, do you ever get stuck when you're writing? Do you ever get writer's block? Don't know what to say next? Do you ever get stuck researching your next topic ideas? Well, Longshot AI is promising a solution for all us writers out there to improve our content creation, to make it more engaging and more beautiful, using the powers of AI to research and assist us in our writing. So let's have a look at Longshot and see what it does. Just go over. So this is Longshot.ai, and it uses AI to research and generate reports, all sorts of things. Long form AI generator. So we'll just have a look at what it does. So it researches, generates headlines, ideas, creates content briefs. It's SEO friendly long form, and some feedbacks. And what's coming soon is a fact checker, tone checker, teams, and an AI image if you get it on the right plan. It comes in 3 tiers. There's a starter, so you have a 3-day trial basically, and then it gets down capped at 10 free credits per day. After that, you get unlimited access to topic research. And then there's a pro plan and an enterprise plan at 100, which will then have your image plugins within the enterprise plan. So we can sign up for a free trial. It'll then send us an email that we click on to go and verify, and then we're in. So we can get started. And so it starts by searching a topic for us, or keyword or headline. So based on the keywords, the AI will generate a headline, an outline. After selecting a headline, we enter the number of subheadings, click on the generate, and your subheadings are ready. So it gives us a little walkthrough. So blog. Your blog is almost ready. Now let's see what you can do next to make your blog more impressive. There's the AI, so let's explore. Alright, so we want to create new. We want to put in our SEO content creation. How to write content for SEO. Let's search. So we've got project link, got going back to home screen, headline rephraser, text extender, and create frequently asked questions and blog insights. Okay, so here's our top keywords. How to write content for SEO 2001. How to write content explained, SEO content explained in detail. And these are the top questions: Quora, Google, Reddit. So let's select one. So let's go with the first one. So how to write content for SEO 2001. And then we will select our headline, which will be the same. And if we're not happy, we can regenerate. So then we're going to put our outline in. Click on the generate to create an outline. So add outline. Number of subheadings. So go 4 subheadings. and we will create a blog outline. So all this is using up credit. If we are on the first or second tier, if we are on the enterprise tier, it is unlimited. So then we want to add this in if we want it. That takes 2 credits, so it tells you the credits that we're using. But yeah, basically there's our outline. We can add more to this outline, but keyword research, unique content, quality content, benefit to the readers sounds good. We will create that blog outline. So far so good. Thinking, got a little, if we need any help, it's got some frequently asked questions here, and we've got a little inbox messaging that we can do. They also got an active Facebook group, so the developers of this and the founder of Longshot is very approachable and very nice to deal with, very helpful. So thinking. Let's see. So some of the competitors that Longshot is going up against that I want to just mention. So it says, it seems you have succeeded in burning our servers. Please wait for a few seconds as we cool down. Okay, so I guess a lot of people are using a Longshot at the moment. It's it's a new app, so there is a deal on. If you check down in the description of this video, you can get the Longshot deal, or at least go and have a look for yourself and see what you think. So we're just going to go OK, and we're just going to wait. And while we wait, we will look at their competitors. So one of the competitors would be Outranking. So this is another SEO content research writing and optimization tool. This also uses AI. So if we go in and we do a new document and we write in the same query that we have, we write the same title. Title automatically comes up there, and we can type in some tags here, SEO, content marketing, whatever we want. We can create an SEO document in Outranking. The other one that comes to mind, so as that loads, is Neuraltext. And so this one is another tool that helps us to get ranking material using AI. WriterZen is also another tool that gives us keyword research, clustering, and the ability to write SEO optimized content. This does not have AI included in it. It has a really beautiful user interface, however, and really good research output. So then in Outranking, there's an AI write feature. So we can go to then the instructions of this, and we can create a meta title. We can see ideas, and we can copy those ideas straight into it if we like that. That looks good. Put it in the right spot. There we go, and then we can refresh this, and it'll start giving us an SEO score. So then we just work through the instructions, and what we can then do is once we click there, put that there, and then when we start writing, so goes headings, so we put in, we can rewrite it there. There we go, we can put in our heading, then we can go sections, and we can then start to any sections that we like, we can put in or rewrite. So let's go back here, let's generate there, so we'll put in the same sections here. What was it? Unique content. Unique content, quality content. There we go. So power words, optimum difficulty, readability, optimum difficulty, 189 words. So that's just done a blog outline, but it's given us like an introduction paragraph to get us all started using these keywords, I think. Let's see. So what's this? Based on popular articles on this topic. So let's put in the SEO content landscape is changing rapidly. Google has been making changes to its algorithm to combat spam and low-quality content in 2001. SEO content will need to be more informative and engaging. In the year 2001, SEO content will be more important than ever with the rise of artificial intelligence. Google will be able to read and understand content more efficiently. This will make it more difficult for marketers to rank their content. The future of SEO is in content. With the rise of AI and learning machines, the search engine algorithms have become more sophisticated. Quality content it goes on. So that's all right. It gives us that. Now let's see what it can do if we go expand. And more rephrase. So this is the outline. Let's see. So I'll just save it. So saving it. Power words. What's this say? Words with emotion in your headline improves. Okay, so more power words, more emotive words. How to write killer. How to write killer SEO content. Or how to write amazing. That's what it's suggesting that I do. And then I can get it to check. Oh. No, it just goes off to an article, which is pretty cool. So I then get information on power words. All right, so we'll save again. I don't know how that will update, but let's go to rephraser. Okay, so if I go to blog, oh no, we don't want the rephraser, text extender, generation length. So go to blog. What do we do? If we, I think I can do. Okay. It was too big. The characters, when I selected this, it was 202 and it needed to be 200 or less. So if we just go there, then we can do this. We can expand that content. So they have the tools on the side as well, but we can do it if we actually look and see. So since the industry is continually changing, it is also important for SEO professionals to keep up to date with the latest developments and learn about SEO and all it entails. You can read our definitive guide to SEO here. Okay, and we'll go on this one. So again, under, you have to be 200. Expand. This will make it more difficult for markets to rank their own. This will also make it more difficult for those who are solely reliant on organic search. Okay, cool. Yeah, so let's do this one. So we can add more to the outline. We can rephrase it if we don't like the way that it is written, or we can keep using this expanding tool and let the AI kind of do it. We proofread and check it along the way, giving it prompts. So there's another tool, closes copy, sorry. And that one we can get into there. They got another editor. So we can create a new document in here. Create amazing SEO content in 2021. So we can save that as a new document and we can open that up. There, that's still thinking. And then we can start writing. So let's see, servers again, making it think too hard, but let's copy this. Let's take it over here and let's see the output. So closes copy is not a SEO, it's a sales. So closes copy, copywriting, sales copy, not SEO copy. So it has templates, frameworks for copy that we can do. And it also has an instruct command. Select the contents that you want to instruct that I haven't really played around with. So let's go and just see. So this gives us instructing, gives us kind of direct access to the AI writing tool. Let's come back here. So that's finished. To compete with your competitors is no longer enough to know how search algorithms work. Now you'll need to know what people are looking for and how to give them what they want. You can do this only by achieving through excellent content. Okay, so far it's looking pretty good. We'll expand that one too. Oh, so I've run out of my credit, so I was just doing a test. Let's have a look. Oh, sorry, I'll go back here. We will save that. So let's see. I'll have to buy, but pretty much then how to create SEO content, and I would click generate, but I'd run out and it would give me the answer. Blog Insight. So it says use a few hundred words input for best results. In input for best result, Blog Insights works best for simple wiki style articles. Try out digital marketing. Okay, so here's a test. With how accessible the internet is today, would you believe me if I told you the number of people who go online every day is still increasing? Yes, of course I would. Okay, so it can give us a blog insight from a simple phrase, it looks like. I'll have to play around with that again. So it can go unstuck me, get interesting content that may differ from the previous 10. Generate blog synopsis at the end of the blog, so a summary, so an outro, conclusion, and start writing free text from text cursors. Okay, so it seems, if it is, so what's this, based on popular articles. I don't know if these have done it. Let's see, if we go find, okay, so if we want to do better, then we want to put in more of these words. So let's see if we put in, yep. So if we hit on these words, then we should have a good chance of ranking in this article. Cool. All right. So let's see if go into here, pretty sure quality content, and let's do the right. Get the position we want AI to start. Alright, so we want it to start there, and we go generate, continue with paragraph. And this is then outranking, which would be its competitor. So let's think what it did. Think about it. It's all about the quality of your content, not the quantity. The more you write unique and relevant copy for a specific audience, the better chance you have at ranking on Google searches. Okay, and you can do answer questions, all sorts of things. So a long shot and outranking, and then if we went in to a neural text, it would be similar again. Writer's End would not give us that AI component. Master's copy gives us the AI component. Right, and so from SEO techniques, it's got content management software and more for the WordPress community. There's no denying that SEO is an essential part of any business digital strategy. If you haven't already set up a blog, it might be time you get started. For this post, we are focusing on the best WordPress plugins and resources to get you up and running. We'll also look at some of the top WordPress themes, as well as creating a stunning site that visitors will love. All right, so that kind of went off, so we can direct it a lot better and play around with this tool. That's closes copy, so it can do everything too, but it's not focusing on ranking. So the best direct competitor would be outranking, as it's got the AI generation as well as the information to help us rank. And yeah, that's Longshot. So down here we got that our credits used. Yeah, free forever. And like I said, this has got a deal. Let's go back. It's currently on a special launch. So if you check down in the description, you'll be able to get that if that's still available. Otherwise, I'll leave a description to their website, and you can have a look at it for yourself. Sign up for a free account and give it a spin and see what you think. But another very useful content optimization tool. So let us know what you think. Comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks very much, guys and girls. Enjoy.